Hello, good evening. Once again, this is Pure Stoneheart and welcome to my channel. For those who didn't able to subscribe my channel, please do help click the notification bell so you will be notified and subscribe for my channel so you will be notified for my next video. Once again, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to my channel. Again, guys, once again, I'm so happy to share with you for another unboxing videos. Once again, I purchased shoes online and then last week and it's arrived just now, guys. And I will share with you what I have or what I ordered because I'm so excited to open this one. And to open this one, guys, to start with, I want to share it with you. Once again, welcome to my unboxing video. Again, so it was delivered now. Yes, this is the one. A pair of shoes. And I hope this meets my expectations. So welcome to expectations versus reality. Thank you so much once again, guys. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please do hit the notification bell. Okay, let's go first the unboxing. This is not I don't know which brand is this, guys, but I believe this is from Turkey. I guess so. And this is what it looks like now. Okay. So first is Istanbul, Turkey. Yes. This is from Istanbul. So here's the airway deal, let's say. Yes, this is 3 pieces, by the way, from Trendyol. Yes, here's the airway bill. Now let's open. Yeah, guys, this one, I saw this one online and, well, this is very nice, guys. This is 42, the size is 42, brown color, okay, the brown color, and I believe that, yes, it's very nice somehow. I know. Yes. This is size 42. Okay, this is size 42. The brown color. This is my first time to have a brown color shoes. Okay. When I saw this one online, it's kind of like I have to rate, guys, from 1 to 10. When I saw this one online, it shows that I was excited to order and to show this one to you guys because I really love this one when it is online. But to be rate 1 to 10, reality versus expectation or expectation versus reality. So I will rate the shoes in like 7.5. Yes. Okay. Next is this is very sealed. Oh! Oh my God. This is the one, guys. This is very nice. Okay, so when it was weared, I really love this one, guys, because of the combination of orange, the like a mocha color, and the black. Isn't it very beautiful, guys? And the size is 41. Again, this is very comfortable, I believe. Yeah, I believe this is very comfortable for my feet. So again, if I will rate this one from 1 to 10, because I was so excited to see this one in person, guys. So with regards to the rating, like for example, if I will rate from 1 to 10, it's kinda like 10, of course, because I am satisfied for the design. Very light, and this is really from a fashionable one. Yeah, and this is very nice color. The combination, the high cut, and everything. So it's like, very, very nice, the color combination. Next, I will do the unboxing for the next one. I am excited. What's this one? Specially designed for you. Besides is dicing. I don't know. I don't know what's the color of this, and I don't know what's the design. So for this one, oh, it's the white. It's the white design. This is black and orange. This is the red and white. Oh my God. This is the white, black, and red. See? I love the color, guys. The color combination. It's very nice. And this is size 41 as well. I'm so happy because the size is bigger. Yes. And it is very comfy. So this is the white. And this is the pair. Oh my God, I have a pair. This is very nice combination. This is really good for fashion. And this one as well. And so will this one. So this is my 3 pairs of shoes I ordered online and I arrived. So I guess this, I rate this one 7.5 out of 10 is the highest. This one out of 10 is the highest 10. I am satisfied with the color, the combination, etc. And this one as well. So these are the two. I am thinking of ordering the plain white. There is another options with this one, but I choose this 3. And I guess that's it for today. And thank you so much. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-upload, thank you so much. Thank you for watching my videos. This is been Pure Stone Heart. Once again, thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.